99 is a simple card game for 2 or more players. To start, give everyone 3 tokens, then shuffle a deck of cards and deal 3 to each player. Put the rest of the cards face down in the middle of the table. The first player to the left of the dealer plays a card from their hand face up on the table, which adds to the total count for the round. Most cards are worth their face value, but a few are special. For example, aces can be worth 1 or 11, player's choice. 4s are worth 0 and cause the order of play to reverse. 10s are worth either 10 or -10, player's choice. Queens and jacks are worth 10, and kings are worth 99. After placing a card, the player announces the total on the table and draws a new card from the draw pile. Players continue taking turns until the total goes over 99. If you play a card that raises the count above 99, you lose a token, and a new round begins. The last player with tokens wins the game.